Want to become a six-figure data engineer in 2025? Here's the only roadmap you'll ever need, step by step, no fluff. Phase 1. Programming and Computer Science Fundamentals. Learn Python, Java. Focus on Python, most preferred in data engineering. Topics: data types, loops, conditionals, functions and OOP, file handling and logging, working with libraries, OS, JSON, data structures and algorithms, arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, hash maps, trees, graphs, sorting and searching algorithms, time and space complexity, big O notation. Resources: Python docs, lead code, a hacker rank, for DSA practice. Phase 2. SQL and databases. SQL mastery, joins, subqueries, CTEs, window functions, aggregations, group by, having, etc. Query optimization and indexing. Relational databases, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or MS SQL Server schema design and normalization. NoSQL databases, MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, use case dependent. Resources: Mode Analytics, SQL tutorial, PostgreSQL official docs, MongoDB University. Phase 3. Data warehousing and modeling. Data modeling, star schema vs Snowflake schema, fact and dimension tables, slowly changing dimensions, SCDs. Data warehouses: Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflake, Apache Hive. OLAP versus OLTP, understand analytical vs transactional systems. Resources: Snowflake and BigQuery documentation, Kimball's Data Warehouse Toolkit, book. Phase 4. ETL and Data Pipeline. ETL, ELT concepts, extract, transform, load, batch vs stream processing. ETL tools: Apache Airflow, Workflow Orchestration, DBT, for ETL in SQL-based workflows. Talent, Informatica, for enterprise. Programming for pipelines: build ETL with Python scripts, use Pandas, PSpark for transformations. Resources: Airflow docs, DBT documentation, PSpark tutorial. Phase 5. Big data ecosystem, distributed systems and Hadoop. Understand how Hadoop HDFS works, Apache Hive, Pig-based, Apache Spark, RDDs, data frames, Spark SQL, PSpark for scalable data processing, stream processing, Apache Flink or Spark streaming, Apache Kafka, Pub subsystem. Resources: Databricks learning resources, Spark and Kafka official docs. Phase 6. Cloud platforms, must have. Cloud providers: AWS, S3, EMR, Glue, Redshift, Lambda, GCP, BigQuery, Dataflow, Pub, Sub, Azure, Data Factory, Synapse. Infrastructure as code, optional. Terraform or AWS CloudFormation basics. Resources: free AWS and GCP courses on Coursera, Cloud Academy or a Cloud Guru. Phase 7. DevOps and carbon monoxide, CD version control, Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, CI, CD pipelines, Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Circles, CI containerization, Docker basics, Kubernetes, for deploying scalable data pipeline. Resources: GitHub Learning Lab, Docker's official docs. Phase 8. Data governance and monitoring. 1. Data quality checks, Great Expectations or Decode data profiling techniques. 2. Metadata management, Apache Atlas, Amundsen. 3. Monitoring, Prometheus plus Grafana for pipeline health. 4. Logging with Elk Stack or Fluentd project ideas. 1. Build an ETL pipeline from public APIs to a data warehouse. 2. Stream real-time tweets using Kafka, right pointing arrow, Spark, right pointing arrow, Elasticsearch. 3. Data pipeline for COVID data ingestion and analysis. 4. Design a mini data lake with S3 plus Glue plus Athena. The responsibility that comes with data engineering. As a data engineer, you're not just moving data, you are shaping the foundation of every business decision. One bad pipeline can break dashboards, trust, and millions in revenue. In data engineering, scalability isn't optional. If you build for today's data, you'll fail tomorrow's business. Thank you for watching this. If you have any queries regarding this, you can drop a comment or connect with me on LinkedIn and on Instagram for your queries. I will love to help you and resolve your all queries. LinkedIn and Instagram links are in the description box. Go and check and connect with me. If you are job ready person and searching for a job, then you can also reach out to me for a referral in MNCs or in the reputed companies. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.